Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you using my introduction poster. First, my name is Lulu Antoinette D. Ligad and my basic info is my school number. My school number is R2024-00-15275. My nicknames are Luan, Higad, Lululemon. My age is 12. These are my hobbies and interests. My free time love is badminton. Again, my free time love is playing sports. My new hobby is COD-M and ML and basketball. These are my dreams and aspirations. My new inventions is flying car. My school goal is be an honor student. These are my fun and creative facts. My superpower is magic. My travel destination is New Zealand. My personality animal is a cheetah. My movie title is Lolo and the Hunger Monster. Fun fact, I'm good at 4 sports. These are my category list. My favorite movie or TV show is Stranger Things because it's fun to watch and a little scary. My favorite actor is Beyonce because she's the queen. My favorite song is Cheating on You. Why? Because it's so fun to listen. My favorite food or drink is fries and blue lemonade because it's so yummy and good. These are my school connection. My most interesting subject is ICT and math. My improvement goal is get higher grades. That's all. Thank you. Bye.